Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you can see, we're doing a singular review on the new House of Bo XUXU. All right. So if you are interested in hearing my thoughts about this fragrance, just keep watching. Now you know how we do. Let's get into it. Versatility. Do I think this fragrance is versatile? Yeah, I think this fragrance is pretty versatile. I think you can wear this every day, right? In a day-to-day setting. I feel like you can wear this to work, your errands, your quick grab and go. And I also feel like you can wear this to like date night and different things. So we just got into the occasions. So like date night and all those things. I mean, I feel like it's definitely very versatile. You can wear it. I feel like you can even wear this fragrance in the fall season. I'm not sure about the winter season. I'll have to test that. But definitely spring, summer, I feel like you can kind of wear this for all seasons, kind of all occasions. So versatility, yeah. And occasion was all wrapped up in one. So yes, I think that is very versatile. And the occasions, I just gave you a list of them. Now, packaging. You all know I love the packaging. Now, listen, the amethyst, the purpleness of it, you all know that's my favorite color. I love packaging. But this is the House of Bo packaging. I did get the smaller bottle. I've been getting smaller bottles lately, okay, than the big daddies. One, pricing. Like, let's keep it cute. Keep it 100 and cute. Pricing. Girl, small bottle. So I can get more fragrances. Yeah, I'm not grabbing all these big bottles all the time. But if I really do like something, I might. But girl, small bottle is fine. So this 40 ml bottle, I love. I love the look of it. I think it's very classy. Yeah, so packaging, I don't have a problem with the packaging. Now, the packaging of what it was, but there is a but. I got it through the mail. So I do not like that paper kind of, it looks crinkly. I don't like those like several crinkly paper packaging that it comes in when it gets shipped. I don't like those. Maybe it's for like a recycle type of thing, but it gets messy. It gets all over the floor, all those singular kind of zigzaggy paper. I don't like it. I don't like the packaging it comes in, but the packaging of the bottle, I do love. Now, pricing. This is going to run you about $195. So, pricing is steep, I will say. For this to be a 40 ml, it's like, okay. But it is what it is, at this point. So, pricing, it is a good penny for a small bottle. Now, does this fragrance lean more masculine or feminine? I feel it leans more feminine. I'm not sure. But men, you can wear whatever you want, but I'm not sure you would find maybe much value if you like a good like woody, masculine, manly man scent. Like, I don't feel like you would find much value in this fragrance, but definitely I feel like more feminine leaning would be this fragrance. Now, this was launched this year in 2026. This is their new release. So let's get into the notes. So notes, we have top notes: champagne, clementine, chili pepper. Middle notes, we have Damascus rose, blackberry, macaroons. We have Earl green tea. Base notes, we have white musk, Mexican vanilla, and saffron. All right. Well, that is the notes. That's all the deets. Let's get into my real thoughts on this fragrance. Now, first, this fragrance in the pricing, I wish the pricing, I will say, because, I was trying to not get into it deep, but I would say I wish the pricing was a little bit less for this fragrance. Now, do I like this fragrance? I love this fragrance. I really do. I love this fragrance. The pricing, wasn't my jam, but I do love this fragrance. Now, is this the most unique fragrance you're ever going to experience in your life? No. No, I don't think this is the most unique, but is it like sexy? Yes, this fragrance is sexy. I love the champagne. I love the rose that's in this. But again, on the unique side, I don't think it is very unique, but a great fragrance. Yeah, I love the fragrance. It's a pretty good fragrance. Now, when this runs out, will I purchase or repurchase this? If the pricing was a little bit more or less, or if I could get it at a discount, yes. But at the pricing it's at now, and it's probably going to continue to climb, no. I probably wouldn't repurchase this fragrance, but I feel like it is a good fragrance. So if you do like a good champagne, rose, blackberry, so dark, and you're looking for something like sexy, like, and it's not to compare. So you know Dame Rosa from Aliquid's Imaginaire, that fragrance. Like, I feel like this could be like little sister, okay? Little baby sis, right? That's trying to be big sis. One of those, trying to walk in the big sis heels. I feel like in Dame Rosa, you get the rose and the champagne more loud projecting. It's like so like dominant, right? This, not as much. It's, to me, kind of the little sister, more soothing, more on like the smaller scale level. Again, great fragrance, but it just gives me like a very faintness of that fragrance. Again, not one and the same, not the same fragrance. I'm trying to get you in the mind frame of what this fragrance kind of smells like, right? So again, the projection of Dame Rosa, like, you don't have to look for it, girl, you is here. This one I feel like doesn't project as much as I would like it. Because I've been in my House of Bo bag, so I do like a good House of Bo. Okay, so don't get me wrong, I love the House of Bo. But like, if I were to rank the House of Bo fragrance, this wouldn't be at the top of my ranking list. And maybe I'll do that. If you want me to rank my House of Bo fragrances that I have, I'll do that for you. Let me know, comment down below. But this would not be at the top, but this is a very good fragrance. So that's why I can see I can wear this like every day. Like Dame Rosa, I feel like that is date night, sexy, put it on up. You know what I'm saying? You trying to do some things. This one, you're like, hey, how are you? Okay, and it might go away and it might come back. It may not. Somebody may have to sniff up your neck to smell it, right? So it's just not as projecting, but I love this fragrance. It does give me this sexy vibe. I've been able to sit with it and marinate with it. I love that it has a champagne note. To me, for the House of Bo to like come with this champagne, it's like, ooh, you trying to be bad? Okay, you trying to get your little bagger on. You trying to put your little toe in the bag girl pond, right? Because to me, like, House of Bo gives me this very fresh, soothing, kind of spa-like vibe, right? It gives me that like, oh, we're here, we're just dazzling you up a little bit, right? But to throw in the champagne, you like, okay, you want to drink at the spa. Oh, you want to sip on some champagne at the, like, you know, it just gives a little badness, okay? Not too much. So, yes, that is my full thoughts. I would love to know your thoughts. Some people have loved this fragrance, and some people have not. So again, I am loving the House of Bo fragrances that I have smelled thus far. I'm trying to get some more samples so I can try to smell the entire collection. But they've been very prim and proper, very clean, very pretty, tropical, white beach type of, you know, pate type of fragrance. And I really do enjoy it. So again, I love that they put a little slit and showed a little, you know, a little shoulder lean on this fragrance with the champagne note and rose. So that is my thoughts, my full thoughts. Again, if you like it, love it for you. If you didn't, sorry for you. Let me know your full thoughts on the House of Bo XUXU. All right. Well, until next time, fam, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, Your sis just did. Oh, and make sure you subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Okay? Bye, fam.